5, 6, 7,
the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know
8,
the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury
9,
Lane.
10.
Let's paint.
Yellow color. 0,
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go
8,
round and
green
round,
color.
all through the town.
1,
The wheels on the bus.
9,
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish.
5,
Swish, swish,
orange
swish.
color.
Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
2,
The wheels on the bus. Yeah!
10, sky blue color.
The wheels on the bus.
3,
Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep.
6,
The horn on
red
the bus
color.
goes beep, 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 all through the town.
4, 7,